Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make a delicious chocolate tapioca pudding that's vegan because we're using a plant-based milk. To get started, add half cup of sugar to a pot, along with 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whisk this together to get rid of any lumps in the cocoa powder. Add 3 cups of any plant-based milk to the pot. I'm using oat milk. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of tapioca pearls. Bring the pudding to a boil, then add half a cup of semi-sweet milk or dark chocolate and stir to melt. Now we continue to simmer the pudding on low heat until the tapioca pearls have become translucent. It should take around 30 minutes. The pudding will become thicker as you cook the tapioca, and make sure to stir a lot so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot and the tapioca cooks evenly. And that's it! You can serve this warm or cold. We like it best when it's cold. And it pairs well with fresh berries. This pudding is so delicious and creamy. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!